So today we're gonna be doing another shapewear try on. I'm super excited about this. So if you are someone that struggles with maybe some self-confidence or self-esteem and you just need an extra bit of a boost for maybe just, you know, going out with some friends or just going out in general, shapewear can be a big help. Today, I am so excited to be announcing that I am working with HoneyLove. If you guys have never heard of HoneyLove, it is an amazing shapewear brand based online, and they have so many different kinds of shapewear for a very inclusive size group as well. Their styles are very unique and very chic and absolutely amazing. You guys can check out HoneyLove by clicking the link in the description if you would like to check it out. They also have a price back guarantee, so if you are not 100% in love with your garments, no worries, you can get your money back within 30 days of your purchase for an exchange or refund. But today, we're gonna see what that shapewear actually does. If you are new here, hello! My name is Josie, and I put new videos out on my channel every single week. And if you are not yet, please click that subscribe button to become part of the GLAMFAM. Right now I am wearing two HoneyLove pieces, and the first one is a bra by them, and the second one is the tank top, which, oh my gosh, honestly is gonna change my life. Wait till you guys see. Let's jump into this video. So I got 5 pieces to go through today. The first piece is the Super Power Thong. So this is actually a shapewear that goes up underneath your chest and then has a thong in the back. I'm gonna be honest, this is probably one of my favorite pieces by HoneyLove because of how comfortable it is and how much it smooths things out. This also comes with straps that you can adjust. It's just an all-around amazing shapewear garment. Is a thong. So guess what? No panty lines, which is my biggest pet peeve about shapewear. That is actually my biggest pet peeve, is you get panty lines, but not with this bad boy. It is stretchy and super soft, and I absolutely love the quality of the material. All right, the next thing is going into my favorite category. The first tank top we're gonna be talking about today is this one right here, which, oh my gosh, it's amazing. This is actually the liftwear cami. That is what it's called, and it has adjustable thinner straps on it. So like right here, as you guys can see, you can adjust these straps, which is so nice for a tank top, especially if you're wanting to wear it alone. It's just amazing. And it also has built-in pads. They are removable, so that's always really nice. And again, we have that really good quality, stretchy, but firm shapewear material. And this also has light boning on the side of the breast part. This is a very versatile tank top because in the back you'll see that you can take the back clips out and reverse them so you have a crisscross back or a regular V back. So this one again is the liftwear cami. Second tank top that I'm going to be talking about today is the one that I'm wearing. This is the liftwear tank. Again, it has removable cups for that extra support. Very soft and again very stretchy, and I absolutely love the back. I love the back of this tank top. This is very smoothing and also really helps with your shape, and it's really nice for under t-shirts or maybe by itself. Honestly, all of the above, because it really just helps smooth out and give you that little bit of confidence that you need sometimes, and that's okay. And HoneyLove is here for you. Now we're gonna be moving on to the bras. This is the first bra. This bra is called the Liftwear Silhouette Bra. It's very cute. It has this detailing on it with removable cups. This bra is super comfy, and I absolutely love it. The material that HoneyLove uses for their garments it feels like silk. I'm not even gonna lie. It feels like silk, and it is so luxurious and soft. It's absolutely amazing. So it has the adjustable straps and adjustable in the back as well. You have a regular bra clasp, but it's very thin actually. Like this bra clasp is a lot more thinner and flatter than my normal bra, which I can tell you right now, it makes it a lot more comfortable. The back has cute detailing as well, if you guys can see that. Same as the front. This bra is super comfy and helps with your shape and some lift as well. The next bra is the bra that I'm wearing, and that is the liftwear V-neck bra, which honestly I absolutely love and I find extremely comfortable. Plus it matches basically the same layout of the tank, so like you can wear them on top of each other and you can't even tell, which is pretty awesome. And you can see that it really does give more lift and shape, and also it's very soft and very comfortable. I am blown away from these garments that I got from HoneyLove. They are honestly amazing. And I am working with HoneyLove on this video. These are 100% my true thoughts, and I would never lie to you guys. This stuff is bomb. It's bomb. You really need to check it out. I don't have one thing to say bad about it, except I wish the tank tops came in more colors. Honestly, these shapewear tank tops are gonna become everyday wear for me, and I'm not even kidding. I think the product speaks for itself. So that was it for this review / try on for shapewear, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to click that subscribe button down there to become part of the Glam Fam. And also, if you have any questions about any of the garments, leave it in the comments down below and I'll try my best to answer the questions. And don't forget to check out HoneyLove in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah.